Hello and welcome to Darker Tones, the show where we're always trying to help you feel more and more confident when shooting photo and video in any situation. I'm your host Cameron, and today it's a little bit of a challenge. Now I have to try and shoot a really professional, nice looking product photo, but only using one light, and this light will not be diffused, it's just going to be a straight harsh LED light. In fact, a £40 light from Amazon. The reason I'm doing this is about a year ago when I wasn't that experienced in photography. I tried to do something similar, but I got a really flat image and it didn't really appeal. It didn't have a very good look to it. So we're going to try it again and see if we can get something that looks really, really cool. But I think first we should roll those titles. So let's go. So guys, we're here in the living room. We've got our lovely little light here. It's a nice £40 light off Amazon. We're gonna light this lovely little bottle here from all sorts of different angles to create this really cool professional product look. We're gonna be using different color temperatures, so we'll use 3200 and 5600 Kelvin. The reason we're doing that is the 3200 is a very similar color to the liquid that's inside the bottle, so we get a really cool, realistic, lighted look on that, and then we use 5600, so it's that nice daylight, looks realistic, something that you'd see in a normal day-to-day situation. The reason I'm doing this, guys, is a bit ago I shot a similar shot, but it kind of looked like it had been flashed. I'd shot it at lots of different angles with one light similar to this, and I'd bounced it and all that, but it looked like it had been flashed and it wasn't a very nice shot. So we're going to try and replicate that, but using this light here and try and get a bit more of a dramatic look at something a little nicer. So the way we're going to do this, guys, I'm going to turn this light on and put it to 5600 Kelvin. It's on its top power, it's on 100%. I'm going to hold it behind at two angles to get this really cool silhouette on the bottle. I'm then going to put it up at a high angle to light that label, making sure that I don't get any horrible reflections like these on the front of that bottle. So holding it nice and high so it looks like it's been diffused. And then we do some from the bottom, making sure again that we don't get those horrible highlights on the bottle. We'll do some at the top to light up this top bit, so the nice little cap on the bottle there. And then at 3200 Kelvin, so we'll switch that down to 3200. You can see that there on the light. Oh, that's bright. We're going to hold it at the back and light up that liquid inside. We'll then stitch all these photos together using some different blend modes and some masking inside Photoshop, and hopefully we'll end up with a really cool photo. If you do want to see that photo that I did take a year ago, it's just here. So that's what that looked like. As you can see, there's quite a few highlights on that picture, so we're going to try and improve on that and make it look a little bit better, or at least let's hope so. So sadly the camera that I do film on is the same one that I do use to take the pictures, so we are going to switch into a slightly lower quality and go into the GoPro, which is just as cool, and we'll just get some really cool angles so you can see exactly what I'm doing to take this photo, and hopefully while you're in lockdown you can have a really cool go at doing the same shot yourself. So let's get started. Well guys, I hope you did enjoy that photo that we just managed to produce only using one video light, and I hope you do have a go at doing that at home. Now the whole point in this video was to do it so that you could try it out. You know, people that don't have lots and lots of video lights or don't have multiple flashes can attempt this at home because it only uses one light. Now I've had a bit of a thought, and I think it would be really cool to try and do the same thing but just using a normal flashlight, a normal LED flashlight. If you'd like to see that video, if you'd like to see me try that, please let me know in the comment section down below. Now you may know that this channel is pretty new, so if you could like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, that would be absolutely brilliant, and please do let me know in the comment section if there's anything you'd like to see, maybe an item reviewed or a new challenge or something in a future video. But thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. See you guys!